Well, hello folks. Now this video is all about setting up of a Google standard shopping campaign, which we will be setting in the Google Ads interface. Now, if I simply walk you through the definition, then Google Shopping is about showing the products from an e-commerce website on google.com as well as at shopping.google.com. So if you have a website which is an e-commerce website, or if you have a client who is selling e-commerce products within his website, then you can simply show these products on Google as well as on Google Shopping simply by launching a standard Google Shopping campaign. Now, talking about the requirements, even before we launch these campaigns, we need to make sure that we have some approved products in the Merchant Center accounts. So in the last video, we discussed about uploading this feed, which is the product feed. So this product feed puts the products in the account, and then we have to wait for 48 hours so that all of these products gets approved. Also, once the products are approved, we need to link the Merchant Center account with the Google Ad account. And once both the products are linked, we can start having these products appearing in the Google Ad account. So we don't simply upload the products in Google Ads, we simply upload these products in the Merchant Center account. Now, talking about where else these ads will show up, this will primarily show at Google Search. Along with that, it will show at Google Shopping, but then it will also show at YouTube, Google Maps, and Google Shopping Partners. So in one single campaign, we can show these ads at 5 different places. And now we can simply get into launching of this Google Shopping campaign within the Google Ads interface. So let's jump into Google Ad interface. Here we have our Google Ad interface for springtails.com, which is our project. Now we can simply have to click on this plus sign, which allows us to create a new campaign. So you have to also come in Google and click on this new campaign. Then you have to choose any of the available objectives. Now, Google Shopping campaigns are majorly for the sales purpose. That's why I will prefer to go with sales objective. Then we have to choose any goals. Otherwise, we simply click on continue and then we choose shopping, which is the fourth campaign in the list. Right after clicking shopping, this Google Ad account will try to fetch the Merchant Center account. And you can see we have multiple Merchant Center accounts linked. So I have to choose the Springtails Merchant Center account, the same account which we have created for this Google Ad account. Now, once Merchant Center account is created, we are having two options. The first one is to create the Performance Max campaign. Now, people who don't know, we would have this campaign, this is Smart Shopping campaign earlier, but then Google has renamed, in fact, modified Smart Shopping campaign into a Performance Max campaign. But in this video, we are only making a standard shopping campaign. And then we simply have to click on continue. Once we click on continue, then Google is going to create a shopping campaign, before which we have to name the campaign as Google. Let's say we name it shopping campaign first. Okay. In terms of bidding, we go with any of the biddings available. We are simply going with manual CPC right now. In terms of budget, we have to provide it a budget of 100 INR, I guess. Let me get into the media planning sheet so I can simply fetch the budget. Now for shopping, we have a budget of 6,000 for a month. So for a day, we have a budget of only and only 200 INR. Now, campaign priority is something which you have to set if you are having the multiple shopping campaigns. So if you have 3 shopping campaigns or 2 shopping campaigns, you want to prioritize any of these campaigns. Otherwise, it's not required if you have one single shopping campaign. Now, in terms of networks, as I said, the campaign will be showing up at Google search along with the search partners. Search partners are like YouTube, maybe YouTube ke alawa, we have Google Maps. All of these websites are the Google shopping partners. In terms of devices, that's fine. In terms of location, we have to show these ads at Delhi NCR. That's right. Delhi NCR females 18 to 35. Now, so in location, we add Delhi and then Noida and then Gurgaon. This shall work. In terms of ad group name, now we cannot restrict our ads to females because we don't have a demography settings within the shopping campaign. So that's a problem that we have for us. Also, we don't add any keywords in the shopping campaign. Now, people ask it a lot of time that where do they add keywords in the shopping campaign? We don't have such option. All these keywords work according to the title and description that we have added in the Merchant Center account. Okay, now at group name is one. The bidding that we are willing to provide it is again something that we have to fetch from the Merchant Center feed. So this is 8 rupee for a click. We simply put it 8 and that's it. Now we can simply click on create campaign. So I guess the launching of the campaign is quite simple. It's not such a difficult task, but then people have to manage this campaign. They really have to optimize the campaign by making different product feeds. From here, you can make different product groups depending on different options that you have. And once you have different groups available, then these products are going to appear in all of these different groups. And then you can bid differently against each of these groups one by one. Also, time on time, you will be required to change the title and description of these products in the Merchant Center account if these products are not being fetched on the right searches. Now, even though we can't add positive keywords, in fact, any keywords in this campaign, we can yet add the negative keywords, for which we have to come into the search keywords option. And here, this search keyword option only shows us the negative search keywords option. What I want from you is to do some exercises. One, I want you to launch a shopping campaign, number one. Then I want you to make product groups in the shopping campaign, number two. Then I simply want you to bid differently on different product groups and also exclude few products.